Which among the given molecule will exhibit tautomerism? So to show tautomerism, we need A atom which is combined with B with a double bond and C which have hydrogen. This hydrogen will oscillate between A and C. So we need alpha hydrogen which will be oscillate. And in first option we can check we have only one hydrogen over here and then one hydrogen over here. If this hydrogen oscillates, here double bond will be formed. So bridging carbon will not attain sp2 hybridization anymore. So that this will not be an answer. And in second case also, in this carbon we have only one hydrogen. This hydrogen will not be able to oscillate. And in this part we don't have any hydrogen. So second also will not be the answer. And in third case we can see here only one alpha hydrogen is there. That hydrogen will not be able to oscillate because this bridging carbon will not be able to attain sp2 hybridization. But in this case we have two alpha hydrogens. This hydrogen can oscillate between oxygen and then this carbon. So only 3 can exhibit tautomerism.